I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at realmoney.com. Every night we watch the same shows, Fast Money and Mad Money, and we want to use those ideas to grow our money. Well, good trading takes more than just writing down the tickers you see on TV every night and punching the buy button the next morning. I can help you know when to buy these 3 stocks I saw on TV. Today, let's look at Waste Management, Cheniere Energy, and Berkshire Hathaway. Now, Kramer was talking about waste management yesterday, and no, he's not talking about taking out the trash. He's talking about this company here. There we go. Waste Management. This has been in a base for like a couple months, but it's a high base, and you can see the stock starting to kind of squirt out to the upside. The reason Kramer's talking about this stock, though, is because of the liquid natural gas play that they're going to be. A lot of their trucks are going to be powered with liquid natural gas. Okay, great. I think that's awesome. But let's look at the chart. Here on Waste Management, the one thing that concerns me about this move yesterday is it occurred on less than average volume. We want to see greater than average volume. So that's a little bit of a concern. But all you need to do, though, is zoom out. You look at the chart and see this is a stock that you want to be accumulating on weakness, because it is moving higher. Dividend, 4%. That's going to attract a lot of money managers, which means that the dividend's only going to get better as the stock moves higher, which means that we've got a little bit of an artificial floor under the stock, and that's the kind of stock you like. Now, look at Cheniere Energy. And look at this chart. Looks kind of a little bit like Waste Management, right? Well, you trade this the same way. It's a little bit further out ahead. It's a little ahead of the curve here. And you can also see that we've got above average volume over the last 3 days. And yeah, I see the stock closed lower than the open on these last couple days. That's important to note. What's more important is that the stock closed above the upper Bollinger Band all 3 days. So what am I saying? With that type of thing, I think this stock is in need of a little bit of a pullback. However, don't miss the boat. Take a little stock right now at 1760. If the stock pulls back about $1 or so into the 16s, mid 16s, that's when you want to take some more. And yesterday, there was a news report that Warren Buffett was diagnosed with early stage prostate cancer. Prognosis of that's pretty good, so what did it do to the stock? Not much. I'll probably see a little bit more selling tomorrow, but or I should say today. But what happened here on Tuesday was we didn't get much of a reaction at all. I mean, the stock closed up along with so much of the rest of the market. So you going to sell this thing? I wouldn't. I'd look at any, at any dip as a buying opportunity here. The stock's moving up. They haven't enacted Obamacare yet, so Buffett should be fine on getting his treatment. And so I think this is a stock that you can continue to buy on any kind of dip at all. This great, very well-managed company. I don't need to tell you about Berkshire Hathaway. All I really need to do is tell you this. Here's support. Buy close to support. Scale out close to resistance. Any questions? Okay, that's it for today. Look, you need to get over to Real Money Pro and subscribe. I'm publishing articles there 4 times a week, though I did have this week off. They're called Fitzbits, but I want you to check those things out. Also, I want you to go over to my website, stockmarketmentor.com. Sign up for the free chart of the day. Lately, we've been covering DANG, D-A-N-G, and that's been a good trade for a lot of folks. Before that, we were on REN, so we're doing the good stuff. You just need to get over there and get on the list. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, and I'll see you tomorrow.
This market is
stock pickers market.
Stocks have rallied this year.
We're coming into a Monday where we're going to